Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to connect CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify, create an account, and if you have an account, log in to your account. Then in here, you can see now the homepage of Shopify, then click Sale Channels and then go to Themes. Then after that, in the search bar, type CJ Dropshipping, then enter, and in the App Store, click CJ Dropshipping, then click Add App, then after that, click Install App at the upper right corner. And then check please read and agree and log in and authorize. So sign in to your account for CJ Dropshipping, and that's it. That's how to connect CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.